Hi everyone, I am Debarati from Divas Weddings and today's video is on FAQs on destination weddings by prospective brides and groups. So there are certain questions asked to us by different bridal couples and I have shortlisted 5 questions and decided to answer them on this video. So let's get started. So the first question is, do you offer wedding packages and how much does it cost? So the answer is a bit elaborate. We as wedding planners offer wedding budget to bridal couples according to their requirements. Every wedding is different and so are their requirements, and hence it is difficult to generalize a wedding planning package and its cost. When you inquire, you may ask for a wedding budget other than a wedding package. A wedding budget is more likely to be easier to understand and discuss. Now let's move on to the second question. Your website showcases different wedding packages. Can you tell us which is suitable for us? So the packages that you see on our website or any other wedding website are generally wedding budget samples which are showcased on the website. These are just to give you an idea of, a preliminary idea of wedding services and the cost. And like I said, no wedding is similar. So there are different requirements from different bridal couples and the wedding budget is also defined accordingly. So let's move on to the third question now. The third question is, what is your company service fee? Do you work on commission or your fee is fixed? So there's a clear answer to this. So at Divas Weddings, we charge a fixed fee for planning, management and coordination. So let's move on to the fourth question now. Fourth question is, what services do we expect on your fees? Does it include vendor services? So this is an important question. So it's high time that we distinguish between planning services and vendor services. So practically we are a planning and management service provider and the fee that we charge is for our services only. Vendor services are not included in our fee. Vendor services are charged separately and the charges depend on the requirements of the bridal couple and the quality of the vendor. So the fifth and the final question is, how do we go about engaging wedding planning services? Once we have discussed your requirements and a tentative budget, you can engage in our planning services by signing up the contract and paying the sign-up amount. And then we start our work of planning services like researching on the venues, listing the food and beverages, budgeting, etc. And then we move on to the coordination services of different creative services like the vendors and the decoration, the entertainment, DJ, etc. Also, we look into the management services on the day of the wedding and the duration, like say for 2 nights, 3 nights, or how elaborate it could be. So it's that easy, and I guess you should get in touch with us and we'll get the party started.